Question: how do I distinguish the subtle differences between the various tools and vendors? Well, there are some common parameters and questions to be considered when trying to understand the tools and vendors. Let's go through some of those. Number one, business requirements. How close does it come to serving your business needs in the context of the current problem? Two, cost effectiveness. How much does it cost to solve the problem through this tool? And to add to this, do I know what I'm being billed for? Do I have clarity of billing? Three, performance parameters. Are there any? What about performance latencies in the terms of maybe data movement? Are there batch issues or streaming or real-time issues? Four, the skill sets needed. Is this pure configuration? Do I have to do some development on the back end, or all my scripts possibly pure SQL? Five, ease of administration. For example, do simple tasks take quite a bit of work to accomplish, or locations where the changes are needed, kind of hard to locate or require specialized scripts? Six, future growth. How will it scale up as my business grows and the scope of my solution grows along with it? And lastly, number seven, integration. Does it fit well in your current environment and data governance standards? And if it doesn't, but it performs really well, are there APIs or scripts that can be utilized to complement the tool to fit your data governance standards? This is, of course, not a definitive list, but hopefully this list will help guide you on your data integration tool selection.